Super fun camera for teenager. She really has a good time with it. It does the thing that it says it does and came quickly. I'd recommend this package for the case alone. Ships fast and plenty of flim to take photos. It came on time. Everything works perfect. Liked it, but the camera already had batteries included, so why the extra batteries in the package? Bought this for an 8-year-old's birthday party. He loves it. A big hit. The picture quality is amazing compared to the Mini 9. It's so clear and the automatic light adjusting works well. It's also strange how the photos develop faster than the Mini 9. Bought as a gift. Recipient is very pleased. Camera takes decent pics and the included accessories were of above expected quality. Awesome purchase. I've always wanted one of these little cameras and this was the perfect way to get set up. The carrying case is really nice. It has plenty of space for the camera, film and even to store the pictures after taking them while on the go. It was also really nice to have batteries right away. Great improvements in the camera too now that there's the auto control for light settings. Click link in description for more reviews.